Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a free AI tool which will be very useful for us to improve the quality of research paper. So that is especially related with the language. This AI tool will help you to fix grammatical errors in your research paper, and also it is very useful for us to improve the quality and language in your research paper. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So in this workshop, we are going to optimize PID controller parameter for DC, and that is DC to DC converter. So in this, first we are going to design LNC parameter of a buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop simulation, and then we are going to use PID controller to for closed loop control of buck and boost converter with proper PID tuning method. So the next thing is that we are going to incorporate that converters with grid, and we are going to see the response by implementing maximum power point tracking algorithm in that renewable energy sources with PV and wind energy as sources. So after that, we are going to connect it with an electric vehicle charging station to see the response of the converter. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the AI tool what we are going to explore today is that, so here you can see that Flawlessly AI. So it is a free AI writing checker. So it is very helpful for you to check the that is what are the mistakes in your paper, and then it will improve that also. So let us explore with some content. So here you can see this is the dashboard of this Flawlessly AI. So here Flawlessly AI free AI writing checker. So there are three different options are available in this Flawlessly AI. So the first one is formal, second one is semi-formal, the third one is conversational tone. So here I am going to click formal. So and then you can copy and paste the content need to be checked. So here I am going to paste the content need to be checked. So here I have copy and pasted an abstract. So after that, so you can click an option called correct this. So let us see how it will works out. So it will take several seconds. Yes, our corrected sentence will be generated here. So here you can see this is the corrected that is sentence. So with increasing awareness of the usage of renewable energy sources, research focuses on converters and energy storage elements to regulate energy from RES with the advent of zeta converter advantages such as non-inverted output. So like that. So it will that is correct the content in seconds. So after that I am going to give it a semi-formal. So and then click on correct this. So here you can see again the semi-formal content is generated. So within 3.8 seconds it is generated the content. So after that, so you can use the third one, conversational tone. So use that conversational tone and then click on correct this. So here also the content will be generated. So every that is tone has its unique operations. So you can use any of the tone. As far as research paper writing is concerned, so you can use this formal. So because we often use this formal tool, formal option to check that is grammatical mistake and correct grammatical mistake. So after completing all this, so you can click on reset. So there are like this type of tools, there are many different types of tools are available to check grammatical mistakes. So this is a free AI tool. So you can make use of this free AI tool to generate or you can correct your research paper, and then you can improve the quality of research paper using this Flawlessly AI. So this is all about this Flawlessly AI. To add on with this in this video, so I am going to show you another tool called Grammar Checker AI. So it is also an AI tool which is used for grammar checking, or else you can upload your file. So that file will be checked for grammatical mistakes. So in order to explore this tool, so I am going to copy and paste the same thing, that is same content. So after that click on check grammar. So here it will take several seconds to check the grammatical mistakes. So after that, so it will showcase the errors. So what are the different errors are present in this particular paragraph we have copied. So here you can see that, so 5 spell errors, 5 grammar errors, 0 punctuation. So in this, so just to click on So you can change that instantly using this option. So after that, so you will be having the option called correct, ignore, and then correct all, ignore all, undo. So here I am going to click the option called correct all. So just to click on and correct all. So all the spelling mistakes and punctuation errors, grammar errors, spell errors are corrected in seconds using the option called correct all. So you can make use of this option. So you can see what are the different mistakes are available in this particular paragraph, and also you can correct instantly. So after that, after correcting all the mistakes in your that is paragraph, so you can copy the content and you can paste in your research paper. Or else the another option available in this grammar check AI is that, so you can add the files. So you can simply drag and drop your files that is to be checked, and then you can see so the content after checking. So you can give an option called correct all. So after that it will be downloaded after grammar correction. So like that you can make use of these two tools and make your research papers writing simple, and also you can improve the language quality in your research paper. Hope this two AI tools will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.